TCN, fresh food supermarket vending machine sell honey. Customizable machine stickers, brand logos, language, payment system, etc. Equipped with a 7-layer slots. The type and size of the slots can be customized. 22-inch touch screen for touch purchase. Card payment. The lifting system lifts and smoothly to pick up goods, ensuring the goods' safety. Automatic contactless pickup door. No need to bend down to pick up goods. Optional printer can be used to print out receipts after shopping is completed. The Humanized anti-pinch design makes the entire shopping process safer and smoother.